like creating.
So now confident on account determination.
Yeah, but still, I guess I need to practice more or like study. Are you able to see my screen?
No, not yet. Yeah,
no?
now I am. Yes.
Okay. Recording. Yeah.
So you are okay with account determination? Huh?
Yeah.
Did you create any new material with values in class V003?
I did not create a new material.
You want to try, or is it okay?
It's fine. It's fine. I'll just
okay.
do it this weekend.
Okay. Now we are into inventory management. Okay. Inventory management is nothing but whatever we are buying from outside that will come into our warehouse. Okay. Once we receive the material in a warehouse, physically we will receive. Okay. After that we need to enter into the system, SAP system. Okay. After that we need to perform the goods receipt process. Once the goods receipt is performed, wherever that material has to go, if some material has to go for sales order stock, some has to go to normal stock, some has to pick for another sales order. Like that, they will organize. Once they receive the truck into the warehouse, they will check with reference to purchase order. So, suppose today I am receiving 10 different goods from different purchase orders. So they will separate on the floor and they will put and they will check physically. After that, they will enter into the SAP system. Okay, that we call as a goods receipt process. That already you did 101 movement. Okay, now we can do, some businesses want to, if you do 101, automatically it will stocks will update immediately. Okay, but some business don't want to update immediately stocks. They want to put in some blocked stock. After some inspection, they want to take into the SAP stock, unrestricted stock. Okay, so for that one, we will use the 103 and 105 movement time. So you can create one PO now. We will see that the difference between 101. Yesterday you did 101 movement. Okay, already the stocks is updating immediately, and accounting document is generated, VSX debited and WRX credited. Now once you create PO, we will do two-step GR process. If some materials are damaged, they don't want to put in a SAP stock, they want to return to vendor. That's why they want to do some kind of inspection by doing two movement types.
Okay.
So this is the PO now. Okay, try to perform goods receipt now. So in play, first you release the PO.
Okay.
What is the maximum quotes we can use here? Release procedure?
8.
Okay, you remember that. In interview they will ask, in standard SAP 8, but nobody will use more than 8.
Okay.
Now if you see the right side, what is the movement type? Goods receipt.
101.
In SAP, yeah, in SAP every movement of material will consider as one movement type. Okay, this is GR, goods receipt, against purchase order. One step is a 101. Now you change that 103.
Okay.
And click on drop down. You will read all that. When you do goods receipt, these are the movement types. 10 series, 10 1 is for goods list against the purchase order. Okay, 102 is the cancellation. 103 is that GR block stock. Now try to select 103 now. Press enter. Just press enter. At the where tab also one more movement type is there. Click on where tab below. Yeah, change this to 103.
Okay.
Okay, now try to okay, press enter 103. It is not allowing.
No, it's not possible or something.
Okay, if it is not possible, directly go again. Again enter MyGo. Yeah, now check that. Enter the purchase order number, press enter. Okay, yeah, now it is coming. Okay, in this way you have to change the movement. So now try to check it, post it. If you observe, there is no storage location here. Try to check it now.
Yeah.
No, now post it. So now material document is posted. Try to check that is it accounting entries are there not? Yesterday you checked for 101, there is account entries. You remember?
Yeah, like it
MyGo
was
display.
somewhere here. Yeah. This is the one, I guess. Do not exist. I guess it's not coming. Hello.
Yes, Varun. Go to ME23. Go to ME23. Is this the PO just now you created?
Yes.
With 100-100 material?
Yeah.
Oh, click on the purchase order history.
Purchase order history.
Okay, if you see there is a 103 movement. This is the material document number. Okay, click on that material document number. Everything will be updated here. Okay. Click on document info. So what is the message here?
No subsequent document found in the
That
accounting.
means we have not taken into our stock. Okay, that's why the document is not generated. Yesterday for 101 automatically an accounting document is generated because stocks is debited in our inventory posting. Okay. Now this is a process whenever the material received in a warehouse or storage location, they will perform 103 and they will keep some side. Other guy will come and they will inspect. If any rejected, they will cancel. If all are good, they will do 105. Okay. Now again go to MyGo transaction. Single step is 101, two step is 103 and 105.
Okay. Should I go to the goods receipt or?
No, you drop down and you decide. Now the stocks, where are the stock now? GR block stock now. 103. So now you select the proper one. Read carefully all.
Release.
Yeah, that's correct. Now we are going to release. Some other guy comes and he checked already. All are good now. So now we are releasing that GR block stock against that material document. Just press enter. By default, it will come 105 movement type. If you observe the movement type, what is the movement type?
105.
So first we blocked that material. After that, we are releasing that material. Now storage location is appearing here. Now before that, go to MMBE, another screen. You check the stocks. Where are the stocks? /n/o. MMBE is the stock for. So 200 is the unrestricted stock, okay? That is previously updated one. Now go right side. This is another stock, means PO created, open PO created, but not at generated goods receipt, okay? Reserved stock means stock is reserved for cost center or something, okay? Go scroll right side. You will see GR blocked stock. This is the GR blocked stock. You just now you did 103, no? After posting 105, this will clear from here, okay? Now try to post that document, previous document.
Yeah, actually, I'm getting confused between these numbers. Like,
no need to confuse. Click on details. Double click on. Yeah, select any line and click on the detailed displays there. No. Yeah. So first one is the unrestricted stock. Okay. Whenever you perform 101, the stock will come directly into an unrestricted stock. That stock is we can use for any other purpose. We can issue, we can sell for some other customers. Okay.
that means
available stock.
That's the quantity sent by the suppliers to us,
yes.
right?
Yeah. Maybe one time, maybe 5 times. Whenever you are receiving new goods now, that will update unrestricted stock. Okay. That can be used for selling or internal purpose. We can use that stock, unrestricted stock. So next one is a quality inspection stock. Some people will do quality management module, QM module. In that case, whenever they will update some master settings in a material master, okay? If the QM module is there, so in the material master, they will select the QM viewer. In that, they will assign some kind of details, okay? In that case, stock will always come when you do goods receipt, that will come under the quality inspection stock, okay? After that, they will do some QO32 process is there. They will do that is related to QM module, okay? Normal module also we can create, we can send the material to quality inspection. Suppose you have 200 quantity in your hand, but some customer is doubting that material is good or not. In that case, what you will send? You will send the 200 material to quality inspection, okay? Because if the stock is there in quality inspection, nobody can buy or nobody can sell that one. So that's why they will move that quality inspection. In future, we will do that one. For moving from unrestricted to quality, we have one more movement, 321 or something is there. We will use that movement, okay? Like that, all the stocks are there. Consignment stock, return stocks. Now scroll down. Our GR block stock. We are talking about the GR block stock now, okay? Where is that one? Scroll down. Sometimes we may have to need the move to the stock to blocked stocks because we received message from customer that material is not good. In that case, we will move all the stock to quarantine. That means blocked stock. Okay. That also each is having different movement types. Okay.
GR block stock is the one like which we have received, but we are not updated or something like that.
We are received in physically, that was there in our warehouse. We received one step, but that not updated in the stocks. That stock we cannot use. This GR block stock is there now. You cannot sell now. After doing the second step, you can use that stock. Okay.
Okay. So that will go to the unrestricted stock.
When you do 105 movement, it will go to increase. Now it is at 200, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. When you do that 105, it will increase 300.
Okay. Save it.
You are not plugged any item. Okay. So now it is asking enter storage option. Previously it is not asking.
Yeah.
So now the material document is posted. Go to copy this material document. Go to display. Now you will get some accounting entries.
Now
refresh.
display. Okay.
Yeah, me go display. Just press enter. Click on document info. Movement type 105. So what will happen now? Stock will debited or credited? Inventory posting.
Debited.
Yeah, you remember opposite to bank, huh?
Okay.
And what is the transaction event keys trigger while doing that movement type? This one.
For the debit. BSX.
Okay. No, this is not our.
Okay.
This is not our material document. You don't select left side from left side. Direct go to. Now go to ME23 and purchase order history. You will find. If you don't know, no, you can select from MB51 document. Also is the material document transaction code. You have to remember these all T codes. In interview, they will ask what is the T code for get the reports, material document reports. So now click on the purchase order history. So previously it was 103 movement, now 105 movement. Okay, 1867 is that our material document. Click on there. Now click on FI documents. Click on accounting entries. In unfinished products, goods received GRIR. Oh, okay. Why it is okay? Now select change layout and select that transaction. Now we are getting 3 transaction event keys. You have to tell why it is getting. Actually 100-100 is an unfinished product maybe. BSX is triggering, okay, WRX is triggering. What is the PRD? Okay.
PRD, okay.
That is also a transaction event key, okay. Whenever the price difference is there, no, that will come, PRD will trigger. In that case, go to MM03 and check that price. What is the price they maintain? The standard price or moving average price? Go to MM03 accounting one view. Generally, we will use moving average price external procurements. Okay, standard price for internal sell produced products. Accounting one. Accounting one.
I selected accounting one, but it's not showing here.
Why it is not showing? Which plant you entered? Press enter. Selecting accounting one. No, not required basic data one. Just accounting one. Enter the plant 1000. Just press enter. Okay. Go right side and select accounting. Okay, now you are into accounting. Okay. So what is the price maintained here?
118.
No. Price control. S or V?
Yes.
Where is that? Yeah. S means standard price. Okay.
Yeah. So 135.
135. Now what you enter the price in a PO? Compare that price. If you enter the PO 135, that PRD will not trigger. But you enter the more than that, maybe more than that or less than that. Go to ME23 and check the price. In case of standard price, if the PO price is different than material master price, PRD will trigger. Okay. If it is in case of moving average price, there will not be any PRD. You have to tell in interview. They will ask compulsory. Why when the PRD will trigger? In that case, you have to tell in a material master price control is yes, and PO is created that more than that value of the material. In that scenario, PRD will trigger. Okay. What is the price maintained here?
200.
In material master, 135.
135.
So that's why this is triggered PRD. Okay. So now you know how many transaction event is BSX, WRX, PRD, GBB, and GBB against VBR is for the cost center. Okay.
Yes.
Now this is about the purchase order goods receipt. Okay. If you create purchase order, stock will come. Otherwise, it will not come. But some movement required business. Suppose I am running factory since 20 years. There is no SAP. Recently, I am implementing SAP. Okay. Now all the old stock should bring to SAP. Okay. We cannot leave that stocks now. We have to create a material master and we need to bring the stocks without paying to any vendor because already the stocks is available in our warehouse. Okay. So in that case, legacy stock we call as the legacy stock. We have to use the transaction key movement type 561. Okay. You have to remember all this movement type. Note down somewhere of 101, 103, 105, and PR against the GR against the PO.
101 is for the normal.
PR against GR against PO.
Yeah, I'm just noting it down. 101 is GR against PO, and 103.
Mummy walking by Tarwaji. You know? Okay. Okay. Bye. So that's comment. Sorry, Varun.
No, that's fine. Oh,
Yeah.
101 is GR against PO. 103 is
one step.
yeah.
101, one step.
Okay.
And 103 also GR against PR, PO, but two-step process. When you do 103, stock will go GR block stocks. There is no inventory update. After that, we have to do 105. Okay. If you click on that movement type indicator, you will see the description, correct description.
Okay.
In the drop down of the movement type, we can check it. Okay. Now you know the difference now. Why PRD is triggering?
I'm sorry, what? PRB because of the
Why PRD
difference
is
in the
triggering
price.
PRD?
Because of the difference in the price.
Okay, now to go to MM60, select any one material with 3. Yesterday you created one material, you remember? Go to MM60 with your user ID.
Okay, client.
Okay. For this material, what is the, you can see from here, no need to go to accounting one material master. Price control is V, okay? Are you able to see?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. So if you create PO with this one, there will not be a PRD account, okay?
Okay.
System will update, moving average price will update automatically. In case of standard price only, system will create the PRD, price difference account, okay?
Okay.
Okay, now we are talking about the legacy stock, okay? In factory, we have already so many stocks, so we need to update that into SAP system, okay? In that case, we have to use transaction MB1C we can use, or otherwise we can use MyGo also, okay? So try to go to MB1C now, transaction MB1C.
MB1C. This is just to update the stock like the previous stock, sir.
Old stocks. No need to pay to nobody, okay? Existing stocks we are selecting. 561 is the movement type.
Okay, 1 second, I'm just noting it down.
Whenever you have time, you have to read this all movement types, but we will use a maximum 20 movements, not more than that. One series, two series, 561. 561. Already gone. Hello? Hello, 561.
Okay, okay. In 561, which like, can I select anything or?
Yeah,
Like,
first is the normal stock. We are talking about
okay.
normal stock. If some stocks are assigned for sales order, suppose in factory we don't buy extra material, because if you buy the material, we need to put the some money, invest on the money. So in that case, some customers will send request. I need this so and so materials on this today. So for that customer only, we will buy that materials. That will consider as a sales order stock. Okay, e stock. This is just normal stock only. Enter the storage location. 561 is nothing but legacy stock. Okay, legacy
Okay.
means existing stock. The terminology is legacy. They have to use legacy. Okay, just press enter. Enter the material. Recent material you can enter. You created external that stocks.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes. Press enter.
Okay, now you have to solve this error. Double click. You have to note down these all errors.
Proceed. GBB is not defined.
GBB is the offsetting entry. Okay. Cancel. You can use OBYC or you can go from here also. Click on that account assignment. You remember OBYC integration T code between MM and FI.
GBB. Now after enter this or?
See again the message. What is the message displaying? You have to understand from that error only. Where is that error screen? First one is the INT, okay? Chart of account you entered. Next one is transaction event key. Next is a valuation grouping code. Now you have to select GBB. Under the GBB, you have to select 001 BSA for valuation class VA03, okay?
Okay.
Look for 001. Scroll down. 001 BSA. BSA is the point tune transaction event, and it will come under the GBB.
Okay, 001 BSA.
BSA. Select anything and copy as. Click on copy as. It is not allowing. Change that valuation class. You have to change the valuation class V003.
Okay, so I guess it's done.
So you save now.
Yeah.
Now you know how to assign that valuation class. In real time, we don't assign. No need to worry. Our role is to create the valuation class and assign it to a material master. But if you know,
Okay.
if you know more about that SAP, they will business will give respect.
Okay. Should I go back to like the legacy stock?
Yeah. Try to perform.
Okay, save.
Yeah. So what is the material document posted?
Yeah.
Now check that accounting entries. The stock is debit or credit?
Stock. I guess it is credited.
How can credit? You are taking in now. Stock taking in. That means
Okay, okay,
debited.
okay, okay. Okay. So now the 10 units of the previous stock, we took it 10.
Mm.
Okay. So so now what's the next step?
Check the accounting entries. We go display. Stock is coming already inside. So now you have to check accounting entries. But we don't do any Miro in Swirmesh because this is our own stock bringing into SAP. This is the moment I 561. Okay.
Okay.
Enter and click enter. What is happening? Plus, inventory raw material plus inventory taking minus. So what is the transaction event is triggered here? Tell me without looking. What is the transaction event? One is the stock account updated. Okay, inventory.
BSX probably because.
First one is the BSX. Second one is the inventory taking means GBB. Okay.
But okay, but we're not seeing the quantity here, right?
This accounting entries, I think you can get quantity also, but amount is important. Quantity is not important here because total amount is important here. Maybe select from the change layout. Click on the layout. Yeah. Is there any amount field? Quantity field? Quantity is not required. If you receive 10 pieces, that amount will come for 10. If you receive 1, total amount will come.
Okay, but how do we know like that we have 10 on hand? Like
MMB
in
stock overview. MMB is the stock overview for single material. MB52 is for multiple material. Select the transaction event key now. We will see that.
I guess there is no quantity here.
Is there quantity?
No.
Yeah, now you select the transaction event keys. What are the transaction trigger here? One is the BSX, others is the GBB.
BSX is for the debit and
BSX the inventory posting debited. Parallelly, it should adjust somewhere. Right? That's why GBB will trigger offsetting entry key. So see, BSX is the stock account updated, okay, debited. GBB is the offsetting entry. Indirectly, it will trigger BSA will trigger, okay, BSA for legacy stock. Yesterday for cost center, VBR. Under GBB, we have so many transaction event keys. For the BSX, there is no further transaction event key. Only for GBB, we call as a offsetting entries, okay. Now you clear about this now, BSX and GBB. Now check the MMB stock for that material. If you want to check for single material, you have to use MMB, transaction code MMB.
MMB, okay.
Enter the material. Whatever you just now you received, now you have to enter that material. Execute. Now 109 is there. Now what quantity you entered in MB1C? You don't know. Okay. Now right click on that 109. Select 109 at the bottom. Right click. Material movements. No. Right click. Mouse.
There is actually like no right click in the map.
Okay, no problem. In this case, what you have to do? Now go to MB51 is the material document. Okay. Go to transaction MB51. If you have mouse, when you right click, no, you can select from here. Otherwise, you can enter the transaction key, transaction code MB51.
51.
This is the material. Okay. Now remove the vendor. We want to see only 561 moment type related material documents. Okay. if you want that, you can create or you can keep the 561. Otherwise, remove that also. Okay, remove that also 561 movement type. This is the input selection screen. Business will select based on that material, plant, or store location. Sometimes they want to see only the material document generated with 101 movement type. Just execute it. This is a report every day, 100 times they will use business. Okay. So what are you observed here? These are all the movement taken place for that material. Okay. You have given material is the input and plant is the input and storage location is input. So what are the movements is there here?
561, 201, 101.
Okay, what you observed from here? Why? What is that? Why the red color? Actually, whenever we are receiving stock, no, that will come under the green color. Okay. When we are issuing some goods, that will show red color. You can looking the screen only. You can tell that material is issued. One quantity is issued, 10 quantities received, 100 quantities received, like that. Okay. If you click on that any one, you will get that it will take you to Migo display. Click on 9001. Double click on there. Yeah.
Here.
It is allowing or no? Yeah. So it is taking Migo display. Okay. Hyperlink. We call it hyperlink. Okay. Business don't want to go again enter transaction. So from if you go back again, you will see that MB51 screen. Click on F3 or back. Click on back. Yeah. So like this you can see. Okay. 101 is the movement type for purchase order goods receipt. 201 is the cost center goods issue. 561 is the legacy stock goods receipt. Okay.
Okay.
Now you did 561 movement also. Now after doing the 561, business decided not to take. They want to cancel. What to do now? You have to select this. Click on the double click on the 561 movement. Copy that material document number. Now go to transaction MyGo. Select cancellation in place of display. Cancellation. Sometimes in real time this will happen after receiving inside. Suppose we are receiving Amazon package. After that, we will decide to send back. So like that we will send something. So now check it and post it. Try to edit the quantity. Is it editable? Enter the quantity. You want to return only 5 quantity. In a below quantity tab. Is it editable? No. Once in interview they will ask you, is it possible to cancel that partial quantity? You have to tell no. Okay.
Okay.
Now select check it and post it. What is the movement type? Check the where tab. Click on where tab.
562.
Yeah. Always the +1. 561 if you want to cancel 562. 101 if you want to cancel 101 document. 102. Okay. For 103, 104, 105, 106 will trigger. Now try to check it and post it. So again, one more material document is generated. And now double click and check the accounting entries. What is the stock account now? Credit or debit?
I have to copy this and
yeah, you copy this and go to Migo display. Previously positive there, no? Inventory raw material.
Yeah.
Now negative because stock going from our place.
But we are taking the stock, right?
How can you take? 561 is a taking.
No, like the previous, like the old stock, we are entering into the system.
We entered already with 561 movement type. After that, we decided to don't take, cancelled, no?
Okay. Yeah, I got it. So it goes back. Okay.
Now go to MB51 now.
MB51.
Just now you got now slash and MB51.
Yeah.
Execute now. We are looking for only one for this material. If you remove that now, it will come for all the materials available in a plant. Now we want to see for one material. So did you observe anything here?
Yeah. The new one is triggered 562.
562 is red color, means that coming from our warehouse. Okay.
Okay.
Now cancel 101 and cancel 201 also. What will happen? You have to see that difference. Now business decided we received stock against the purchase order, but they want to cancel. They don't want to receive in stock, so they decided to cancel. Okay. In that case, you have to copy same material document. So what is the telling here?
Deficit of cell unrestricted use 1 kg.
Okay.
This
It
is
is
stored in
telling
the
stocks is not there. How can you return? So now go to MMB and Y check what happened the stocks. Go to MMB, copy that material. Only 99 is there because one what we did one we issued to cost center now.
Yeah.
Yeah, now it is not allowed. Okay, without stock how can I reverse? Okay, now try to reverse 201 document.
I'm sorry, what? Try to?
Go to MB51, find out the 201 movement type material document.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Okay, now what is the MB51? Check again. You will see one more movement type 202 material document. Is that 202? 202 is with plus
Yes.
green color. Green
Yeah.
color means stock in. Red color means stock out.
Okay, like the one which we gave to cost center came back.
We issued cost center 1 and we reversed it. That means stock is
Yeah.
now 100. Go to MMB now. Previously it was 99. Okay.
Okay.
Now it is 100. Okay. Now try to reverse that 101 movement type. It will accept. Previously it was deficit of stock. Now it should not get any deficit.
Go to MMB or?
No. MB51.
Okay, like I have to reverse it again.
Toward you want to see the differences, no?
Yeah. Okay. Now it should happen. Account determination not possible. TPR. Plus PRD.
What is the error? Okay. Account determination entry INT PRD V003 not possible. Okay. Look for directly PRD. Not there, you can add it. Create new. Click on the create new. The create to otherwise copy anyone on PRA. After that, we will change that. Click on copy as. Yeah, change it to PRD. And validation class also you have to change. Okay. Press enter.
I just did the account determination. I don't know, it's showing again.
Okay. Try again. Let's start fresh. Cancel. BSX. No, not BSX. PRD. Scroll down.
It's there.
Yeah, is there? Okay. Again, enter the transaction. I go on cancellation. Yeah, save it. Account determination INT PRD 03 is not possible. Click on that question mark. Double click on that error again. So first one is the chart of account. The other one is the transaction event key. Now we need to select valuation group, accounting group, and code valuation class. So we are missing some column there. Now go to again. Proceed. Cancel. PRD. Scroll down.
Just see V0.
We need 001 combination.
001 or 00?
0001. PRD 0001. Make it big. Click on the position. Here we are only see a general modification. PRD. So we have a transaction event key and valuation class. We don't have the 001 valuation grouping code. That is the problem here. Okay. Click on the procedures. Click on the procedures. Click on that more. Click on more. Post transaction. Again enter PRD. Double click on PRD. Something entered wrong here. Now first column is the general modifier. Okay, correct. And the second column. Enlarge the first column, second column. Make it big. What is the second column? We don't have other column. Huh?
No.
Yeah, again, enlarge again. Nothing is there, no?
No, nothing is there.
Try to create now. Click on create before the copy as icon. Yeah.
New entry.
Yeah, click it. Here also we don't have 0001. Huh?
Yeah.
You want to work, look on the Google, why it is not working. Otherwise you want to leave it.
Yeah, because normally it will be there, right?
Yeah, it should be there. But that is
Like,
also anyway empty. Yeah. Now try again, Mygo. You save no PRD.
yeah, it's twice. I don't know. Because I.
So you enter fresh transaction, Mygo. Cancellation, material document, express enter. Found written for entry. PRD is not possible. Okay. In PRD, maybe some other copy that and go put in a Google. In PRD
Okay.
also we have some other transactions. PRA or PRC something is there. Copy that error message and go to Google.
Okay, sure.
Under PRD, we have 3 more transactions: PRF, PRA, PRU. Now you have to do PRA. Okay. Now we did for PRD. No. Go to OBYC now. Go to OBYC now.
Okay, like I was searching on Google.
Yeah, not required. Go directly OBYC. Okay. Now try select PRD. Double click. Okay. Select PRA. Select PRA. Under the PRD, we will have one more transaction key, a fine-tuned transaction event key, PRA or PRF, something like that. Okay, now change the violation to V003.
For PRA.
PRA.
Okay.
The center and save it. You can delete that PRD if don't require. Okay, no problem. Keep it.
Okay.
Now try MyGo. It will work now.
But why was it showing us PRD?
Under the PRD, we have 3 more: PRA, PRF, PRF, some other thing. General modifier. We call it as a general modifiers. BSX is only one. There is no branches. For
Start
GBB, they
working
have branches,
space.
and PRD, we have branches. Again, same.
Yeah.
Remove that PRD now. PRD and PRF.
Delete it.
OBYC. You are trying to cancel what is that material account 101, no?
Yes.
Select PRD and delete it. Yeah. Save it. Now try for PRF also. Try to add one PRF entry. PRF and PRU. One more for PRU.
Okay.
Select PRU. Now try Mago. Okay, after class you search it. In a same message you post in a Google. I'm not able to do like this. They will suggest you. Okay, you have to do in a Google. Okay, why we don't waste time now. Okay, now you are about that. You know about how to cancel the material document now.
Yeah.
What are the movement types you cover now? First you divide the 1 series movement, 2 series, 3 series, 4 series, 5 series, 6 series. Okay, 7 series. Under 1 series we will get 101, 103, 105. Okay. Now one more. Now if you want to cancel that, today you have received 120 quantity. Now you don't want to cancel all the items. Only you want to return the 20 quantity. Okay.
Okay.
Now that case you have to create one return PO. Okay. Try to select ME21 and create return PO.
Okay, sure.
Previously you created normal PO. Now you are going to create a return PO. ME21N. Enter the same vendor. We are sending with same vendor.
Should we change the like? Should we change the type of PO or?
Yeah. You don't want to release every time, huh?
No, like is there anything like return PO or?
No, not here. Here document type is everything same. In a material level, one checkbox is there. Okay. Enter the organized structure, everything. Now select NB. Enter the material, your new material.
A new material. Okay.
166.
Yeah.
Enter the quantity one. Suppose you decided to send one. Okay. You received 100, but you want to send only one return. Now come to right side. Enter the net price. Come right side. Enter the plant. Storage location.
Okay. Enter the currency. USD.
Now come right side. You will see checkbox. Return PO checkbox.
Here.
Yeah, that is the first checkbox. Square box is there now, what we call as a checkbox. Okay. If you want to return from your warehouse or storage location, you have to select return PO. Simply we cannot send without paperwork. No, we need some paperwork, proof of delivery, proof of account. In future, the management will ask what you did this quantity. So that's why we have to create return PO. Enter the purchase organization. What happened?
No, purchase organization.
Enter and
It
save.
is entered, right?
Enter and save it. Okay, now this is a return PO. Okay. Now copy this one. Try to do goods receipt. You will see different movement type. 161 movement type at the bottom. Goods receipt. Purchase order. Press enter. At the top you will see 101. Change it to 101 now.
No, first I have to release it, right?
Yeah, you not at release. Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Why release procedure will use control? They want to management want to keep some control. Simply I cannot order and I cannot buy everything. That's why some management has to keep control.
This is to send the product back to supplier, right?
Yesterday you received 100 quantity. 99 you are using, one don't want to use. Okay. In that case, we cannot cancel the whole the material document. If you want to return all the 100, you can cancel by using 102 by selecting cancellation. But one quantity we have to send with return PO.
Okay, should I change the movement type?
No, just change it 101.
Okay.
Press enter. Press enter. Okay, now check the where tab. You will see 161 movement here. Previously 101 was there, no? This is the
Yeah.
returns, GR returns. That's why it 161 movement will trigger, okay?
Okay.
Check it and post it.
Okay.
So if you see accounting entries, what will be the accounting entry?
It will be credit.
Let's go to Migo display and check it.
Okay.
Always it should confuse that. That's why you have to practice more. In interview, you will confuse what is credit, what is debit. Whenever you are getting stock, that is debited. When stock is going out,
Yes. Yes, this was the.
is this the one? Yeah, this is the one.
Yeah.
Click on document info. So credited. Negative means credited. Okay.
Yes.
Now you can do perform MyGo for this. We have to perform credit memo, I think. Credit memo. Try to do Myro. What will happen? We see. You know the P1 number?
Mm,
If you don't know P1 number, you click on the purchase order tab here.
I guess this one.
Now click on the purchasing tab. All are the material documents. So this is the PO.
Okay.
Copy this one and try to do Myro. Now we are sending material, so customer has to pay us. Okay.
Okay.
Try to enter all the details.
Okay.
Simulate and post. What is the message coming? Error message. You are not enter any something. In the basic data tab, you have to enter that amount. Balance should be always
0.
You have to enter negative 200. It is not taking.
Specify positive values only.
Just remove that. Press enter. It is increasing now.
Yeah.
Put minus after the 200. After the 200 minus. So this is not allowing. Okay. Now customer has to pay now. Try to select the debit memo in place of invoice. Try to enter the Myro transaction again.
I'll just start it again.
Select the first is the invoice, is no? In place of invoice, you have to select at the top. For normal PO, you will do invoice. Now try to do credit memo. Yeah, do credit memo. Enter the space bar, you will get previous date.
Okay.
Enter the purchase order number. Press enter. So now it is coming. When you buying from vendor, that you have to do invoice. Now we are receiving money from the vendor because we are supplying, returning. That's purpose we have to do credit memo. Okay. Invoice verification and credit memo. In interview, they will ask in what scenario you will do the credit memo. So you have to tell when we create the return preview, you have to do that one. Simulate it and post it. Press enter. Post. Okay. This is about 161 return PO. Okay. But we have one more movement type, 121, 122 movement, subsequent material movement type. We can use that material movement also. We can return the material. Okay. Now go to transaction MyGo. Previously, we are sending with reference to PO. Okay. Now, in place of display, select drop down. To buy one mouse man, why we have to use mouse? Now
Okay.
return delivery. Select return delivery. Okay. Now we are returning the material against this material document. Okay. Just press enter. The movement type of different document cannot. Yeah. Change the movement type in a where tab. Where is that one? Again enter the MyGo transaction. Okay. Press enter. Okay. Now try to select material document. In place of material document, select others. No, not this one. Go to again that return delivery display. Drop down. Yeah. Display goods receipt cancellation. Release the GR box block. Place in storage. Remove box. Okay, okay. Remove that material document on 1868.
Okay.
Select 1862. Okay. So if you see the movement type 122, okay? Below.
Yeah.
Below.
Got it.
Quantity. Enter quantity. No need to send 100. Just you can send one quantity also. Editable. We are returning with this material document, but only one quantity. Okay. Now check it and post it. So now 101, 103, 105, 122, 161 is one series movement type is complete. Okay.
Enter reason for movement.
Yeah, you have to enter some reason why you are sending, returning. So now click on that where tab. Yeah, reason for movement. Select 0001 or something. We can create our own movement types. Reason for movements. You can say poor quality.
Okay.
Check it and post it. So we can
Okay.
send, we can return the goods to three ways. One is the cancellation of the material document 101. Okay, that is the 102 movement. Another one is the return PO. For return PO 161 movement type. Next one is the return delivery against the material document. Okay, 122 movement type. This is about the movement types. Okay. Next class we will see that material transfer from plant to plant, storage location to storage location. In that case, that 3 series movement type will trigger. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Practice more of this movement types. Okay. Create PO. Create. You have to do R&D. If you do R&D, then your hands will be free. In interview also you can tell confidently.
Okay.
Without playing system, you cannot confident on the interview. Okay.